In 1953, the CIA launched the most disturbing mind control program in American history. They called it MKUltra. For 20 years, they secretly experimented on their own citizens. Psychiatric patients were dosed with massive amounts of LSD without their knowledge. Prisoners became unwilling test subjects. Ordinary people were drugged and tortured in university labs. The goal? Create programmed assassins through memory erasure. One Canadian mother entered a hospital for mild depression. After months of brutal experiments, she emerged unable to recognize her own children. Doctors used electroshock therapy, sensory deprivation, and psychological torture. They tried to completely erase human personalities and rebuild them from scratch. The program operated in 80 institutions across the United States and Canada. Universities, hospitals, prisons. Nowhere was safe. When Congress finally exposed MKUltra in 1975, the CIA had already destroyed thousands of documents. What we know is horrifying. What we'll never